morning, children. Let's start with our worksheets for EVS today. Children, in our EVS class today, we are on page number 56 of our EVS book. Page number 56. The activity that we have here is we have to cross out the non-living things. Non-living means things that do not breathe, that do not eat, drink and grow. Okay, जो जिंदा नहीं है, that is not alive. They are non-living things. Like here we have a cycle. Okay, cycle. Does cycle need anything to eat, to drink? Right? No. Cycle don't eat and drink. Have you ever seen a cycle grow in size? Cycle बड़ा होता है? नहीं. Right? Same ways house. House को हम खाना देते हैं. Do we feed it? No. House does not need any food, water. Okay. Nor does a house grow. Right? So these are all non-living things जो बड़े नहीं होते, जो जिनको खाना नहीं लगता, जिनको पीना नहीं लगता, जो grow नहीं होते. These are all non-living things like cycle, house, ice cream. Right? Is ice cream a non-living thing? No. Ice cream is not a living thing. वो बड़ा नहीं होता है. Right? Here we have a girl here. A girl is a living thing. Like she needs food, water. Okay? She needs things to eat and drink. Only then she will grow. तो ही वो बड़ी हो सकती है. So these are living things. Animals. Animals are also living things. Birds, right? The cock, the bird over here, these are all living things. So what we have to do is we have to cross out the non-living things. जो जिंदा नहीं है, जो things जिनको grow नहीं होते हैं, उनको हमें cross करना है. So a girl is a living thing. A girl is a living thing. What about ice cream? Is ice cream a living or a non-living thing? Ice cream is a non-living thing. Okay, ये grow नहीं होता है, ये बड़ा नहीं होता है, इसको ऑक्सीजन नहीं लगता है, वो ब्रीथ नहीं करता, सांस नहीं लेता. Okay, so we will cross the ice cream as ice cream is a non-living thing. What about house? House is also a non-living thing. House breathe नहीं करता है, right? House grow नहीं होता है, right? So house is a non-living thing. What about book? आपने book को कभी बड़े होते हुए देखा है? Book को आप खाना देते हो? Book breathe करता है, सांस लेता है? No. So again book is a non-living thing. Cycle. Cycle is also a non-living thing. So put a cross across the cycle. A ball. Ball also is a non-living thing. इसे भी food, water, air, इन सब की चीज़ों की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. Okay. The next. Here we have a cock. A cock. Cock is a living thing, right? It moves around. घूमता है, खाना खाता है, drinks water, it drinks, it feeds. You have to feed the cock, right? So cock is a living thing. So we will not put a cross across cock. This is a pencil box. You can see pencil, rubber. This is a pencil box. So here this is also a non-living thing. So you have to put a cross. A bird. A bird is a living thing. You know? It eats, it drinks, it flies, it grows. Okay? It breathes. So this is a living thing. These are donuts. These are donuts. So donuts हम खाते हैं, right? It is not a living thing. It is made by us. Donuts हम मम्मी बनाती है घर पे, right? और हम इसे खाते हैं. So they are not living things. So you have to put a cross. A cap. A cap is also a non-living thing. This is a rocket. A rocket is also a non-living thing. And here we have a music system, a radio, a tape recorder. So this is also a non-living thing. So you have to put a cross across all the non-living things that we have already done here. This is on page number 56. Now let's move to page number 57. And here we have to circle the living things, the things that live, which needs food, water, air to live, to survive. Those are living things. Fruit is not a living thing, okay? Fruit is not a living thing. So, we won't circle a fruit. What about tree? Yes, tree needs food. Like when you water the trees, that is when it grows. So, that means you're feeding the tree, right? It needs water to grow and it needs air also to live, to survive. So, tree is a living thing. So, I will circle tree. What about balloon? Balloon is not a living thing, right? So, we will not circle it. A mice, a rat. Rat is an animal and it is a living thing. It moves around, it eats, it drinks, it grows. So, rat is a living thing. What about duck? Duck is also a bird. It is a living thing. This is cup and saucer. Cup and saucer is not a living thing. So, we will not circle it. Here we have a parrot. Parrot is also a living thing. It grows. It needs air. Then we have ice cream, which is a non-living thing. This is our national flag. This is a non-living thing. This is an ant. An ant is a living thing, right? It eats and it grows. So, it is a living thing. And again we have a small plant here. In a pot we have a plant. And we have to water it to grow, right? So, it is again a living thing. So, we will circle the plant. So, today we learned about non-living things and living things, and these are the activities related to the same on page number 56 and 57 of your EVS book. That is all for today. Thank you.